Brothers wanted for AKA's murder have 15 days to appeal court's extradition ruling. Two brothers living in Eswatini and wanted for the murders of AKA and Tibbs have 15 days to appeal to the court's decisions granting South Africa's request for the man to be extradited. Siyabonga and Malusi Ndimande were arrested in February this year and charged with the murders of AKA, real name Kiernan Forbes, and Tibbs, real name Tabelo Motwane. On Friday, the Manzini Magistrates Court granted SA's application to have the men sent back home. National Prosecuting Authority NPA spokesperson in KwaZulu-Natal, Natasha Rakison Kara, said the brothers may appeal the court's ruling. She explained that if the man do appeal, then a notice of appeal should be filed within the 15 days court period with the High Court. Dates are then arranged with the preceding judge of the filing of heads of argument by both parties, whereupon the matter is set down for the appeal to be heard, she said. If the appeal is dismissed, the men will be sent home on a date decided by Interpol Eswatini and Interpol SA. However, if they do not appeal within the stipulated time, then the record of the proceeding will be transmitted to the Prime Minister of Eswatini to decide on the surrender of the respondents to South Africa. Following the Prime Minister's decision to surrender, Interpol Eswatini and Interpol SA will decide on a date of handover, Ramkison Kala said. The pair will join Lindokuhle Tabani Mkwanazi, Lindani Ndimande, Siyanda Miesa, Mziwete Mbakwabeni, and Lindokuhle Ndimande in the dock at their next appearance. The four Ndimande men are believed to all be brothers. They are also linked to the murders of Ndimande Kunene, Nhlanhla Ngcobo, and Zamokuhle Mkwanazi Ngcobo, which took place in Emazimtoti and Berea, respectively. Siyabonga and Malusi Ndimande, arrested in connection with the murders of Kiernan aka Forbes and his friend Tebelo Tibbs Motwane in February last year, are expected to be brought back to South Africa from Eswatini to join their co-accused. Following a series of court appearances and the brothers' reluctance to come back to South Africa, the Manzini Magistrates Court on Friday accepted the extradition application against the accused. It is unclear when they are due back in South Africa. The pair will join Lindokuhle Tabani Mkwanazi, Lindani Ndimande, Siyanda Miesa, Mziwete Mbakwabeni, and Lindokuhle Ndimande in the dock at their next appearance. They are also linked to the murders of Ndimande Kunene, Nhlanhla Ngcobo, and Zamokuhle Mkwanazi Ngcobo, which took place in Emazimtoti and Berea, respectively. Meanwhile, the accused in SA remains behind bars after the bail application was denied. AKA and Tibbs were gunned down while exiting the Wish restaurant in Florida Road in Durban. In a previous interview, AKA's father, Tony Forbes, said his son's murder was well-funded. Speaking on the Within with Hazel podcast, hosted by Hazel Mahazard, Forbes said his son was assassinated. I cannot go into the details of what we've been briefed in relation to the case and the progress that's been made in terms of the investigation other than what's the public record, he said. On the other hand, bail or behind bars, Ethiopian accused of raping a Diepskloof girl, 7, faces court decision after tearful testimony. A 34-year-old Ethiopian accused of raping a 7-year-old girl in his tuck shop at Diepskloof will find out today if he is getting bail or staying behind bars. This comes after the mother of the minor broke down in tears in the Randburg Magistrates Court on August 3rd while testifying against the bail application of the man. The man was arrested after he allegedly ruled the girl and her brother 10 inside his shop with snacks and then gave the boy 5 rand and told him to cover his face. Then he allegedly raped the girl. As the mother took the stand to testify against the accused, she vividly recounted the incidents that continues to haunt her family. What he did to my daughter is horrific and I'm still shaken. Now, my daughter is too scared to play with her friends because everyone's talking about it. The mother, whose identity is protected to shield the minor, told the court that the man is a danger to others. I want him to stay in jail. The community is terrified he might hurt someone else if he is released, the tearful mother told the court. She alleged that this is not the first time the accused committed such a crime. He did the same thing to another woman who said he raped her and then threatened to accuse her of theft from his shop if she reported him, she said. The mother broke down in tears and left her other supporters also in tears as she explained how her boy, 10, keeps demonstrating in the house how his younger sister was raped. He keeps on demonstrating to us how his younger sister was raped by this man, and I'm afraid that he might go to his friends and try to demonstrate what was done to his younger sister, she said while tears rolled down her face. Meanwhile, the accused's lawyer, Lawrence Matonsi, argued in court that the mother had not provided solid evidence proving his client committed the crime and is a danger to the community. State prosecutor Sibongile Ndimande presented evidence provided by an investigating officer who was absent that the accused's asylum visa was expired on March 9, 2022. She said the accused is under judicial review and the High Court will decide whether he will serve his sentence here or be deported if found guilty. If the suspect is released on bail, it will put the lives of the community in danger because the incident has already caused an uproar in Diepsloot. Ndimande urged that the state has a strong case backed by solid evidence proving the accused raped the minor. There is an evidence of injuries to the external genitalia of the child that indicates that she was raped, she told the court as she read a medical report. The magistrate will today reveal if the man walks out on bail or heads back to the cells and join other inmates. And that's it from Egypt's Crime. Stay tuned to SA Criminals and Correctional Updates.